Hello, students. Today we are going to learn the second module of chapter 1. How old is Muttajji? By the end of today's class, you will be able to learn and comprehend the paragraph and enrich your English vocabulary. So, dears, before moving on to the module 2, I'm going to ask you a few questions from module 1. Are you ready? So, on the screen, you can see a few questions. Who was Muttajji? Why did Pota and Poti visit Mysore? What did they want to know from Muttajji? What did Muttajji tell them? What was the first clue given by Muttajji? Next question. Why did Muttajji have to leave Mysore? What was the important thing that happened the year Muttajji got married? So, dear students, if you know the answer for all this question, well done. If you are not able to answer the question, don't feel bad. Read the lesson once again. I'm sure you will be able to answer all the questions. Now, let's move on to module 2. We can see, will the Pota and Poti able to find out the real age of Mutaji? In the last class, we discussed about the clues that Muttajji gave to her great granddaughter and son to find out her real age. Now let's see what happened next. The twins nodded. Said Poti. Your paisa is the best, Aji. When was KRS built? Do you know, Aji? Aji shook her head. I'm not sure, but you can go with Acha to the central library after lunch and find out. In the library, Poti found a book on the history of Mysore. Here it is, she whispered. Two of Mysore's most visited tourist spot, the KRS Dam and the Vrindavan Gardens nearby, were opened to the public in 1932. The twins grinned. That means Mutaji had Indian married in 1932, 84 years ago. We can see in the beginning the twins are enjoying the paisa and they are complimenting that your paisa is the best. Then they are asking, what is the year KRS Dam was built? In order to find out, they are directed to visit the central library, and the twins went to the library and they found out a book on history of Mysore. At last, they got the correct year when the Vrindavan Garden and KRS Dam was built, and it was on 1932. That means their Mutaji had indeed married in 1932. That means 84 years ago. Now they got the first clue to solve the mystery of their great grandmother's real age. Let's see, will they be able to succeed? We can move on. Mutaji thinks she was 16 when she got married, said Poti. But she could have been 17 or 18. She also said she was about 9 or 10 when her Bombay uncle told her about the clean trains, said Pota. Aja may know what that means. Aja was in the reading room. Aja whispered, Poti, in olden days, did people get traveling by train? Aja nodded. There were steam engines then, which ran on coal, not electricity, he said. Black coal dust used to fly out of the chimney and land on everyone and everything terrible. That's it, Poti, hissed Pota. Electric trains were the clean trains. He pulled out a book on the Indian railways. It says here, he pointed, that India's first electric train came to Bombay in 1925, and Muttajji says she was about 9 then, said Pota. If she is right, then Muttajji was born in 1916. So here they are in the library and they were checking, they want to find out the real year when KRS Dam was built. So they find out the correct year and they are trying to solve the mystery through the clues which the grandma gave. What was the second clue she gave? She talked about her marriage, then the clean trains. So they are looking. Muttajji thinks she was 16 when she got married, but it was not clear. So they were thinking whether she will be 17 or 18. Then they are talking about the clean trains which her uncle have told her once he visited. So at first they started to find out when was the clean train introduced and what is the meaning of the clean train, and they find out that the clean trains was introduced, that means electrical train was inaugurated in India during the year 1925, and it was first in Bombay. So Muttajji says she was about 9 then, said Pota. If she and Muttajji says she was about 9 then, said Pota. If she is right, then Muttajji was born in 1916. But she could be wrong, frowned Poti. Only one way to make sure, said Pota. We have to find out that big party for kings and queens in Delhi, which Muttajji said happened 5 years before she was born, happened in 1911. They ran back to Aja. Aja, was there a grand party for foreign king who visited India around 1911? Aja frowned. 1911? Why is that date so familiar? Ah, yes, it was the year the Gateway of India was built in Bombay. And yes, it was built to welcome the British Emperor of India, George V. There must have been several grand parties, not one. So here we can see that they are getting to the success. That means they are going to find out the age of their Muttajji. We can see here one thing they remembered. In order to find out the correct age, they decided to find out in which year the king and queen visited, British king and queen visited India, and they find out that it was on 1911. By calculating the age of their Muttajji, they come to know that it will be on 1911. So they go to their Aja and ask him whether anything important happened on 1911. Do any king or queen, British king or queen, come to visit India? And he says that a British Emperor of India, George V was visited during 1911, and in order to welcome him, India Gate, a gateway of India was built. So the kids solved the next mystery of their grandmother's great grandmother's real age. Now they are moving forward. Let's see. Thanks, Aja, cried the twins. They knew exactly how old Muttajji was. 5 minutes later, the twins were racing towards home. Muttajji, they panted, rushing straight to her room. Did the Mysore Maharaja get his gold medal from King George V? Ah, Mutaji said happily, that it is George. What clever children you are. Now they solved all the mystery of their great grandmother's birth date. Now they went to Mutaji and they are asking about the gold medal that their Maharaja got, whether it was rewarded by King George V. By hearing the name of King George V, now grandma remembers that name and she congratulate her great grandkids and say you are very clever. Now let's see what is the real age of Mutaji. Do you have any guess? Really, how old is our Mutaji? That means, Mutaji, that you were born in 1916. You are exactly 100 years old today. That's great work, twins, smiled Amma. I think you and Motaji deserve a special treat, a big spongy cake with pink icing and a rose on top. Hooray! Cheered the twins. Now here we can see that Motaji was born on 1916 and the story is happening in 2016. That means the Motaji is exactly 100 years old today. So their Amma, when they solve the mystery, she says that you deserve something special. So she gave them a nice pink icing cake and they were very happy to see that. So, my dear students, we have come to an end of the chapter How Old is Mutaji? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.